Hi everyone, I'm Dev Jenny Hub. Welcome to this lesson on adding icons, images, and an exit button in Tkinter. Before we start, if you like this video and want to learn more useful content, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. When adding an icon to the application, this lesson will guide you through setting an application icon, displaying images, and creating an exit button. First, let's add an icon to our Tkinter application. Tkinter allows us to set the window icon using the icon bitmap method. Make sure you have an SEO file ready before using this method. I have downloaded some icon files and placed them in the same folder as the Python file we are working on. To adding an exit button. Now, let's see how to add an exit button. An exit button lets users close the application easily by calling root GUIs. Displaying images in Tkinter. Next, let's discuss how to display images in Tkinter. Tkinter does not support PNG or JPEG by default, so we need to install the Pillow library. You can install Pillow by running pip install Pillow in your terminal. Once installed, you can use the image and ImageX classes from Pillow. PL is a library that supports image processing in Python. Image is used to open and process images. ImageX is used to convert images into a format that can be displayed in Tkinter. Open the image file with Pillow, and the image object will contain the open image for storing and accessing images. Now, let's talk about storing and accessing images. It is recommended to place image files in the same directory as your Python script. An absolute path is the full path from the system root to the image file. Advantages: always accurate, independent of the script location. Disadvantages: not flexible, difficult to share code across different machines. A relative path is the path calculated from the location of the running script. Advantages: flexible, can run on multiple machines if the folder structure remains the same. Disadvantages: may cause errors if the script is run from a different directory. When to use an absolute path if the image file is always in a fixed location on the machine. Use a relative path if sharing code or working on a multi-file project. Paths can be represented in three ways: using backslash, or using rostring, or using slash instead of backslash. Currently, I use rostring because it is quite convenient. Image tk.follow image converts an image from Pillow image format to a Tkinter photo image format. so it can be displayed on the interface. Tk.label root, image equals follow. Create a label in the Tkinter window root and places the follow image in it. Label pack A. Label Zhaoji run INTI. 5 running and testing the application. Finally, let's run it to test if the icon, image, and exit button work correctly. It can be seen that the image is displayed to large. You can resize the image before displaying it by using the .resize method of pure.image. Conclusion. This lesson is cover icons, images, and exit buttons in Tkinter. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for following along. Continue exploring more Tkinter features for enhancing your GUI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. I'm Dev Jing Hub. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.